Hi, writers. How are you today? You have been working so hard on your All About Me books the past few weeks. So this week we are going to do the last page and the cover. So the last page that we're going to add is called the Table of Contents. So we have seen in lots of our nonfiction All About books, and even in our chapter book, we notice a table of contents which tells the contents of the book, what is inside the book. So it will tell the heading or little title for each page, and then across from it is the page number that it starts on. So in this book about owls, it says owls are nocturnal. That's on page 2. And then it says owl sounds. That's on page 3. And it goes through and it lists all of the different pages in the book and the page number that you can find it on. In this book called The Whale Sharks, there's a table of contents as well, and it is set up the same way. It says table of contents, and then it tells what each page is called, the heading, and what page number you can find it on. Okay, so this week we are going to make a table of contents for our own book. So if you remember, we have 4 pages for our book. Okay, this week we are going to add a page number. So page 1 was our diagram page. So today you are going to go ahead and add a number 1 up on the upper corner or lower corner to show the page number for the diagram. Then you're going to find your list page, your list of family members or list of games or list of toys. That is page 2. So you'll put a number 2 at the top or the bottom corner of the list page. Then the third page we did is our favorite page, when we told our opinion about our favorite person or favorite food or favorite animal. So you'll put a number 3 on the corner, either top or bottom corner, of your favorite page. And then the last page that we did last week was called our fun facts page. You came up with some awesome fun facts about you. I loved reading those. So you're going to put a number 4, page 4, on the fun facts page, wherever you decide, top or bottom. And then, once you have your pages numbered, you are going to make a table of contents. Okay, so that page will have a heading at the top, table of contents. Headings usually start with capital letters because they're the name of the page or a title. Then you're going to write the name of each page and the page number it can be found on. So diagram was page 1, list was page 2, favorite animal was the name of my page, page 3, and fun facts was page 4. I put a little P with a dot next to the number, but you can just put the number if you want to. Here's another example of what your table of contents can look like. Okay, so again, you're going to find a piece of paper. It can be plain white, it can have lines on it, whatever you want to use for your table of contents page. You're going to go ahead and write the title or heading at the top, table of contents, and then you're going to write the name of each page. Diagram, page 1, list, page 2, favorite, blank, whatever you wrote about, page 3, and then fun facts, page 4. Okay, once you have your table of contents, you're going to put right in order the table of contents, then the diagram, then the list, then the favorite page, and then the fun facts page will be the last page. Okay, then you'll have all the pages of the book. And then what's the last thing we always put on our books when we're all done? That's right, we put a cover. So your last thing you can do when you're all done, some of you already did this, you are going to make your cover to put on the top of your book. Okay, so when you make a cover, remember it has 3 parts. It has a title, it has the name of the author and the illustrator, you are both for this book, and it has a picture to show what it's about. Okay, so the title of your book is All About Me. Or I could have put All About Mrs. Buckley, or All About Jonah, or All About Remy, right? So you can put All About Me, or if you want to put All About your name here. Okay, and then you're going to write who it's by. Who's the author and illustrator? You can put your first and last name. And then you draw a picture of you. Now, I just want to remind you that the title is going to start with capital letters, and it's not going to have a period at the end. So all with a capital A, about with a capital A, me with a capital M. No period. I just told you a lot of information, so let me just review one more time what you are going to work on this week. Okay, so step 1, you are going to number your pages that you have been saving. Page 1, diagram. Page 2, list. Page 3, favorite page. And page 4, fun facts page. Okay, you'll number those pages and put them in order. Then you're going to make your table of contents. Okay, that's going to be your first page inside your book. It'll say table of contents, and then it'll have the 4 pages and the page numbers. And then lastly, you're going to make your cover with the title, All About Me, the author and illustrator's name, and a picture. And if you're able to, you can use a paper clip to clip your pages together into a book, or if you have a stapler, you can staple them together. Or you might want to put them in a folder or a binder, however you want to publish and put your book together. And then it would be awesome if maybe you could get an audience of your family together and you can have them sit down and you can read them your whole book because you've been working so hard. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have fun, and good luck with your table of contents and your cover. Bye-bye.